Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today we're doing another mixed haul. So we're going to do a combination of Dollar Tree and Dollarama, which is the Canadian dollar store. And this is going to be over a few different visits. So I do have another one that I had recorded prior to, and I'm just going to mix them all together. So let's just jump right into this. I'll let you know as I go through where items are from. And if you're new here, Dollarama, like I said, is the Canadian dollar store, and things go up to $4 in cost. So let's get started. So over here is my Dollar Tree, and I'm not really impressed lately with Dollar Tree, guys. I don't know what you're seeing, but I've been at least 3 times in the last month since things have started opening up again, and there just really isn't a lot of stock in terms of like new items coming out. So not too impressed right now, but I mean, that could just be because of everything going on. This was really cool to see. I specifically went there to get some birthday decor, not throwing a mermaid birthday party, but I do have a little girl, and this could be something in the near future, so I just grabbed it to put away in our storage because it's $1. They also have a lot of dinosaur decor lately that I've never seen before, so picked this really fun banner up. I've hauled a different like Crayola creative classroom packs in some of my previous hauls. This was new. So these are story dice. I love little activities that just get you really thinking, and they're creative. Love the Crayola stuff that they have. What else do we got here? Sorry for the bag noise, but I didn't take things out obviously in advance. Picked up some birthday plates, just these fun little balloons. Like I said, they have dinosaur now, so if you're throwing a dinosaur birthday party, they have a bunch of decor for dinosaurs. They're starting to get a unicorn decor in, and I saw that the mermaid and the princess is what I saw at mine. I always walk by these and I never grab it, so this time I just grabbed these paint trays because we're doing a lot of painting lately, and we're constantly like just dipping into all the paints, and then they get all like mixed up inside the containers. So thought it would be good to grab some of these trays. You get 6, that's pretty good for $1, and you get fun little shapes. Oh, I also got this, I thought this was really cute. I like this notebook. If you know me and you watch my channel, I have an obsession with notebooks. I love them. I buy them really with no purpose, just to have them. So I thought this one was a lot of fun with all of the astrology and the planets. All right, and then balloons. Like I said, I went there looking for party decor. Super surprised, guys. They had like no balloons. They only had yellow and purple. I was like, what? They always have balloons. So I picked up some yellow and I picked up some purple, but the color I was really looking for was pink, which I was able to get. You'll see that in a moment from Dollarama. So I picked up those. These I was super excited for. I love their little succulents, and this is the only one that they had. This is my main floor decor color. I absolutely love this aqua blue, and it's one of my main accent colors in my like living room entrance area. So I'm sure I can figure out a DIY with this. And then this one was new as well. I love the height on it. Look how pretty that is. I love buying their succulents and just, you know, making my own planters. But like I said, I just love the height on this. I've never seen any succulents with height like that before. They're always like super small. Yeah, I picked. And then here's the last few items. I picked up some baking. Now you can definitely get better deals if you go to like Walmart because you're gonna get like you can get larger sizes for probably like the same price, if not a little bit more. So yeah, but I just picked it up because it was there. So I picked up this chocolate chip. I picked up peanut butter cookies, and we love their biscuits. So I picked up those 3. And then my last item from Dollar Tree was some paint. This is just the red, but they have a lot of Crayola washable paint. So if you have any children, and they have them in all the different colors. I just picked up red because that was the only color we really needed. All right, so moving along, styrofoam balls. These are from, now I'm moving on to my Dollarama bag. Again, this is a mixed haul, so I'm gonna be going back and forth. But these styrofoam balls, I've hauled these before, and we used all of them. you're looking for a cool like craft project, we took these and we painted them to look like planets. So we looked up toddler planets and we just tried to paint each of them the color, and then we turned it into a mobile and hung it up. What else did we get here? Here are the pink balloons that I was talking about. So it's the same price because my Dollar Tree is $1.25 and you get 15. So same price, but I got my pink. Also picked up just a like birthday table cover. And as you can see, it's just a bunch of balloons. $1.25. Dollarama does have a lot of decor for like Paw Patrol, Hello Kitty, and then just standard stuff as well. I picked up this happy birthday banner. Just says happy birthday. Again, $1.25, so the same price as what my Dollar Tree would have been. All right, and then I picked up this little pack. Dollarama has a lot of these like fun little kid packs. It was $4, either $3.50 or $4. I believe it was $4. But they have different ones. This is just, as you can see, the My Little Pony, and it just comes with nail polish and stickers, a little container to put your nail polish on. And I'm not too sure if this is just like nail Bristol boards. It says peel off sticker. I'm not too sure what those are. It doesn't say. I looked everywhere on the box to see if I can figure out what it is, but 5 sheets, stickers, nail polish, 2 sheets. It doesn't really... Glitter tattoo, maybe they're tattoos. Not sure. But anyways, picked up this item. And then I thought this was really super cute. It was $3.50. It's just a canister, but I love how, I just love the color. I love the metal, and I thought this would be really nice to use for some of my floral. I don't know what floral I'm going to put in there. I don't know if maybe I'll put my new succulents in there. I'm not too sure. I'll have to see. Like, I don't know, maybe. Or maybe I'll put other floral, like baby's breath and something. But we'll see. All right, so that's it for that bag. Okay, so moving along. I've hauled these hats before. These are the Nickelodeon hats that the Dollarama carries. So they're $3.50. And I've hauled the Paw Patrol, Disney princesses, and Frozen. This is the first time I've ever seen Trolls, and my kid loves Trolls right now, so picked up one of these super cute hats. Random stuff, picked up some Betty Crocker cake mix. I also have icing somewhere among all this stuff, but picked up one of these. It was $1.25. Some foam balls. These are just for a craft project, so styrofoam balls, $1.25. I think I'm gonna make planets with my daughter. She really loves planets, so I thought that would be a cool idea with some paint. Picked up some putty. This is just glitter putty. This is not the name brand, but looked like fun, $1.25. I have hauled these as well many times. Dollarama gets Hatchimal kits. They're $4. You get you get 5 in here. And I don't know if you have kids that like Hatchimals, it's a really great price based on what I've seen. It shows you one that's already open, and then it shows you what you could get inside. Yeah, so I picked up one of those. Some kitchen items. Love this. So this is a, oops, there we go. A dish mat. Sorry for the glare, guys. $3.50. It is a dish mat. I've wanted one of these for a while. I've been using the microfiber dish mats, but I've really wanted one that was, what material would you call this? It's not plastic. Doesn't even say. Anyways, I've wanted this material for quite a long time. Just, I feel like it's going to do better than using the microfiber. So they had it in this color, and then they also had it in like a really bright orange. And then I picked up a corner rack for my cupboard. I have racks already, but I want to try a corner rack for my daughter's like dishware. Starting to overflow a little bit. So it's $4. It's a 3-tier, so there's 3 levels on it. I love this color. I mean, it's just black, but I like the color because I'm so used to everything always being in white. And yeah, there's not much else to say about this. I picked up a ton of just random items, a few fun finds, but I've hauled these many times before. This is not new, but I picked up some more of these command hooks. I used this in my most recent like entry closet organization video. Absolutely love these command hooks. I also picked up some dog treats, milk bones. All of this stuff that I'm showing you right now is $1.25. I picked up the beef, and then I also picked up a chicken. All right, I also picked up some party items. I usually go to Dollar Tree for this stuff, but I was looking specifically for Paw Patrol, and Dollarama does have a few items to choose from. So I grabbed these plates. It doesn't have a price on it, but they normally go for about $2 at the Dollarama. Doesn't even say how many you get, but probably around 12. Let's see. Oh, 8. So I picked up some Paw Patrol plates. Also picked up some Paw Patrol chalk. These are just 3 jumbo chalks. They were $1.25. I always compare to my Dollar Tree because here in Canada, at least where I live, my Dollar Tree is $1.25, not $1 like it is for most of you. So when I can find items for $1.25, it's very comparable. Also this foil balloon, which they do have at Dollar Tree. I picked up this number 3. I love these for parties. They're really great, cheap, easy decoration items. This was fun. So candles, again, $1.25, and these are just star candles. I thought those would be a lot of fun. And they had multiple colors to choose from. So these obviously have the sparkly purple. And then what's a party without some balloons? I just picked up this mega value pack. I am going to go to Dollar Tree. They were only $1.25, but I was looking for like very specific colors. And they didn't have it. They just had this party pack. So I do want like specifically some more purples and pinks. And then I also picked up a pack of these white. So it's a pack of 15 for $1.25. Okay, and now I'm just moving on to the final item. So I found the chocolate frosting for that cake that I bought. Really excited to see this as well. I needed some new deodorant. It was $4, and I'm really looking for a natural deodorant. I've tried a ton of them, and they're just not working for me, guys. If you have any that you can recommend that are natural, so no aluminum, let me know. So I have yet to try Tom's, so I was happy to see that they had this. Picked up some zipper seal. I mean, it's not very exciting. What is exciting are their new wicker bins. So I've hauled like wicker bins from Dollarama so many times. I love their bins. I would go to Dollarama before Dollar Tree anytime. And this is my absolute favorite color. It's really hard to find because they sell out really quickly, but this is new. So it is 2-in-1 right now, guys. I have it, like I can't get it out right now, but it has, I'll just show you the one on top here. It has a handle. It almost reminds me of like those strawberry picking baskets. So anyways, I grabbed that. I love the color like I mentioned, and they have a brand new color in. They've never had pink before, at least I have never ever seen this color in any of their wicker bins, so it has to be new because I go to the dollar store quite often. So it's this really pretty blush pink, and they had other wicker basket styles as well in this color. So super excited to see that they have switched their color. So same basket, and these were $2.50. Like, that's pretty amazing. $2.50. You can't go wrong. Again, sorry guys, my dog is snoring so loud right now. Wakey, wakey. But yeah, those were the last items that I got. I have no purpose for these, but I know that I'll find a purpose, so I just had to have them. But anyways. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed, but thanks so much for dropping by, and I hope that you guys are staying safe, and love and peace to you all. Bye.